Hey everybody, Jav Vernakovich here. We're in Deep Creek, British Columbia, and we're running an Earthworks course with an Earthworks project. So we have a small dam at the top of the property, about 20 acres here, and right at the top there's a little valley that comes in and allows us to have a moment where we can put in a dam and back up some water for fire prevention, for some growing. There's a need to do a bit of a nut orchard here. But one of the neat things we found when we came on site is that the predominant winds come from the north here. And as the winds come through, they hit this area. Now, because this dam isn't going to be as deep as some others, it's probably only going to be about 5 to 6 feet deep because of what we have for our material on site. We thought it's probably good to create some sort of buffer for all of that wind that's coming. So we are connecting different elements, having different techniques together, and here we have a hugelkulture. Hugelkulture is mound culture. Sepp Holzer has very much been the foremost of this technique, and this year we put in a lot of hugelkulture, but this one I'm very excited about. One, it was created by most of the downed trees that came off the land, including all of the decomposing myceliated trees that were downed already. So we have some inoculated, and we also have some uninoculated trees, which over time will decompose. But what's neat about this is it's on the north side of this pond, and it goes all the way down into the draw for the pond, meaning that it'll act as a bit of a wick and help to have water wick up this hugelkulture. The hugelkulture, when it's finished, will probably be about 5 or 6 feet tall, and it's a lot wider because we had a lot more material coming in. The neat thing about using an excavator in this application is that the excavator has picked up some soil with the logs and has placed it into the berm. So we have soil, wood, and inoculated bed before we even start. The excavator is going to bring the soil on top. We're going to do some broadcast seeding of some clover, some buckwheat. We're going to do a couple of annual vegetables just to see how they do up here as a test. We're not really going to be counting on that for production, but we are going to have it here. And then we're going to finish it off with some bank armament. As we can see behind us, the excavator is just working on the keyway of the dam, and we'll be finishing up that and then starting to pull out the dam wall, the core, and then the slope coming into the dam. So we'll have a few more videos on this coming up. As usual, be fruitful and multiply, and always think we have the principle of hugelkulture, but how can we apply it in different situations? Thanks so much, and hopefully you'll keep watching. All the best.